Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is bundle time. What does bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? It means you save more money. Let me briefly go over these items. I want you to go watch the other videos after you purchase the bundle because I don't want it to run out. First, you are getting the trucker hat, which is an A2 folded, which is amazing. Then you are getting add-on stamps for your club dies and stamps, because look at how adorable these are. And yes, don't worry, my friends, there are dies that match, of course. And there's dies that match, and this is a doozy. Look at how many there are. I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop. So many doozies to decorate your fold it, which is going to be so much fun. And for those of you that sometimes don't like to color, I still love you. Don't worry. I created a stencil for you. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Club members only. Get in on this bundle ASAP because once it's gone, it's gone. And it's on flash sale and bundle price and club discount. Just stack those discounts as many as you can. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.